hardest working.
They wanna know if he still got it. They say rap's changed. They wanna know how I feel about it. Well, I'm a little bit old school, so I apologize if I'm a little biased. But we still the flyers. Ke teep, ke letsatsi ke a phatsima ke di hele ke a feast. Ke chaka ke bogale ke mariga ke a sita. Kgogo modumo ke dimo bogosi ba mpitsa. Should've been a superstar by now, but that hasn't happened. I know the word going around the rumor mills I'm a has-been. Well, excuse my paranoia, but I don't wanna be in the same category as all these niggas who lost their magic. I'm talking about all my older favorites who haven't made it, but I speak only with respect, so yeah, I'm not gonna name them. I had an influencer tell me that I'm not in the A-list. I'm not popping or famous, my music's not on their playlist. Now hold up, I'm not down for the count yet. Kosi Kulu Yabom rapper, he hasn't been crowned yet. Y'all go face the music when I'm done with the sound check. And when we meet in public, I'ma greet you like y'all are red. And after these vocals, I'm outie. Y'all ain't gon' see me again, I'm anti-social, me outie. Tell Ozzy I will address the shit he posted about me. See, I'm still here, still rocking with fella. Yeah. Ntshegeng. Me and baby mama not together, stop asking me about it. That ship sailed, and actually I'm glad to be out it. That ship failed, I'm sure she's also happy without it. So out of respect for her, I won't be rapping about it. So yeah,
Changing topic.
back to me again. Sansa ba ipotsa gore ke rileng. La me letsatsi le tlhabela kwa bophirimeng. La me le khotla le phuthega kwa go lemphiriteng. And I'm back in season like a fruit. Though I'm not fruity, I'll sow the seeds and give the juice. What that means is when I'm speaking, I'm feeding them with the truth. And if it's war, then you'll see under the sheepskin it's a war. If I'm sneezing in the booth, it won't be this COVID. If I'm sick, it's from the stogies and pro kids, the pro V's, HOVs who wrote beats with those pens who showed me the ropes and devote these emotions. Been a sinner kissing ya serasa misela siya silo sela sela lo mesisila bo setla bo shenke twer gotlele mpotse. My money's on my mind and my mind on the mole buteng. So you know what the meaning is. I got spirit like ghosts in the mediums. I'm so sick I just suffered a stroke of genius. Ntshegeng ke go lefa ke tsoga le tlo go itidimats. We the goats, so pretty much the whole coach is needing us. Puto, Ntshegeng, that's my mama's name. You laugh at it and never again will you chuckle at anything else whenever we win. Proofs to niggas I'm ahead of the game. Wanaware. Wanaware. Wanaware.